back to the Lisa V channel. Come along with me today as we make organic laundry washing liquid at a fraction of the cost of regular supermarket laundry liquid. For the first step, you're going to need a mortar and pestle, gum leaves, or some kind of herb out of your garden that you like the smell of. You could include some flowers, herbs, rosemary, mint would be really nice. But today I'm using eucalyptus leaves, which have eucalyptus oil in them. You also need a mason jar. So take some leaves. This step isn't necessary, but I like to crush my gum leaves, my eucalyptus leaves, sorry, in order to bruise them and start bringing out some of the flavors and oils. So now we have a jar full of eucalyptus leaves or a herb of your choice, and we're going to boil the kettle and pour boiling water into our jar until the water covers the leaves, basically to the top. That's good. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave this jar of boiling water to steep for a few hours. The longer the better. So I might leave it for a couple of hours, but it's best to leave it overnight. If you didn't have any herbs at your fingertips to use, you could skip this step and just add your favorite essential oil into the mixture. In the meantime, we're going to take a 15-litre bucket and we're going to fill it. This is a 20-litre bucket, but I'm going to fill it up to 15 litres worth and just fill it with water. The next step is to get yourself a bar of organic Castile soap. This soap can be used for so many different things in liquid form and in the bar form. I like to use Dr. Bonner's Pure Castile Bar Soap. This hasn't got any additives in it, it's purely organic and it's unscented, which means that the herbs that we're using or the essential oils that we use are going to create the flavour and scent that we want. The next step is to get a big pot and a sieve, and I'm going to strain our eucalyptus mixture into the big pot. This is still a little warm, so I'm just going to be careful here. Now I'm going to take our grated Castile soap and pop that in there as well. Be careful not to spill too much, as I don't want to waste any of that goodness.